Sa kamay na ng Meralco Bolts ang ika-6 nitong panalo sa Governor's Cup matapos talunin ang Terra Firma Jeep. Nagbabalik si Isabel Reyes.
Lalong hinigpitan ng Meralco Bolts ang kapit sa second spot ng 2021 Governor's Cup standings matapos talunin ng Terra Firma Jeep 107.95 sa Inares Center Antipolo nitong Huwebes ng gabi. Bumida para sa ika-6 na panalo ng Meralco si import Tony Bishop na nagtala ng game-high 26 points at 11 rebounds. Nagsilbi namang top local contributor si Aline Maliksi na may 18 markers at 6 assists. May 2-game winning run na ngayon ang Bolts mula nang lumasap ng 109-98 loss kontra sa Northport Batanguer noong nakaraang linggo. Ani Meralco head coach Norman Black, sariwa pa sa alaala ng kupunan ang pagkakadapa kontra Batanguer at ayaw nang sapitin ito muli.
The loss to Northport was on our minds entering this game. We did not want to stumble again, knowing that the elimination round is coming to an end pretty soon and everybody's fighting for positions.
Pinuri rin ni Black ang mabilis na inilaro ng Bolts na ayon sa kanya ay hindi na i-execute ng koponan sa huling mga laro.
Well, we were able to get out and run today. That was very important for us. The last 2 games, I think we only averaged about 4 fast break points per game.
Dahil sa panalo ay virtually qualified na sa quarterfinals ang Meralco pero dagdag pa ni Black. Target nila ang isa sa top 4 spots na may twice to beat advantage pagsapit ng playoffs.
We wanted to stay within that top 4. So we didn't want to fall today to the Terra Firma team. And we just wanted to come out and run as much as possible, play good defense, and just get a win and move on to our Alaska game.
Tatangkain ng Bolts na may extend sa 3 ang winning streak nito sa pagharap sa Alaska Aces sa Sabado. Isabel Reyes, PTV Sports.